So brother, you cannot change your YouTube channel name. I mean to say, you don't know how to change your YouTube channel name. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will be able to change your YouTube channel name. So let's get started. But before that, if you didn't subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that in future you will be able to get these type of videos. So now let's get started. To change your YouTube channel name, you have to go to YouTube. So here I open YouTube. It's opening. And now what you have to do, you have to click on the channel icon on the top. Okay, you can see there. So I tap on it, and on the first number you can see your channel. Simply you have to tap on it, and here you have to click on the pencil icon. Here I tap on it, and here name. Okay, simply you have to tap on pencil icon, and here the channel name is subscriber, so I rename it, and I keep a new name, that is Babaji. Okay, I okay it. Simply your channel name has been changed. So let me search now if it is available on YouTube or not. So I'm searching it. So here I tap on these three dots and go to filter. Here I tap on type and channel, apply it. You may not be able to see right now, but after few days you will be able to see your channel here. No friend, after few days you will be able to see your channel there. Okay, so this was the video. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.